Hey crafty cuties! Sorry for the shadows. The sun just came in all weird right next to my window. But hello, welcome. If you're new, I'm Jessica. And today I am going to open up some lovely items from Ramona. And she has an Etsy shop. I didn't check to see if she has all of these things available, but I'm gonna guess she does, or at least majority of the things. Some of them might be just like a gift to me, it looks like. But we're gonna open them up because they're just so beautifully packaged that I have to share this with you. She has two Etsy shops. The one where she probably sells these things is Junk Journal Creations. But I'll just have the links listed below because Etsy can be kind of hard to find shop names. She also has another one, I think it's called Paper Crafted Bags, but again, the links will be below. I want to start out by opening this. It says a gift for you. Let me just kind of move everything out of the way and then I'll grab from it as we go. First of all, the things she makes are just so beautiful and like so when I make things, I'm kind of like messy about it and I leave all of the, sewing strings on. It's just kind of like how I usually do it, but I love how neat and tidy her creations are. They are beautiful, stunning. So this is a super cute little envelope that she used coffee dyed paper lined with lace. I love that. I just made some of these similar to these with wallpaper, but I love the lace, and so I'm gonna probably have to do that soon too. So, oh, that's right. So this is so nice. She gave me a little, I forgot what you call these, this little disc thing. It's not a disc, but you know what I mean, a memory card type thing. I think she was sharing some digitals with me. Super sweet. And then she has this really pretty handmade card. She just has so much detail. Oh, she does have a note. And maybe I should have read that first, but here, while you're looking at these, I'll just see if there's anything else that I should mention. She might have like a coupon code. I'm not really sure. Oh, yes. So just so you guys know, her shop has a 20% off every month for 1 week. If you go to her shop, you can find out the dates on her shop announcement page. She also sends gifts with every order. And yeah, cool. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, USB. That's what that's called. USB. And so that was very nice of her, sharing a bunch of her digitals. But this is so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead. And I hate opening these things up only because they're packaged so nice. But we gotta get to it. I get so much inspiration from her thing. Like, look at this. Everything's so nicely packaged inside its own bag, inside the big bag. It's, yeah, you gotta check her shop out. So this is super cute. It's like a book page pocket tag with this really cute little image. And then she adds like on the flower, just so much detail. I'm just gonna kind of put things to the side. Once I open them up, I guess some things I'll probably not open because we can see clearly. So this is a cute little spool with lace, probably vintage lace. Really cute tag. Oh my gosh, I love how she did the lace. Look how cute that is. A little bird die cut with the little branches. Oh, I was gonna say she has a little paper clip on there as well. This is a really pretty slide. I'm curious if there is actually plastic. Yeah, it must be. Yeah, that's really cute. It's kind of like a hard plastic in there with the really pretty butterfly. This almost looks like actually vintage. So I'm curious if that's an image or if that is a sticker. Another pretty little handmade card or like journaling card. These things would be so beautiful in a journal. Another little, I have like a hair on me and it keeps tickling me, sorry. Oh, this is a decorated envelope. That's a cute idea. See, I told you last time when I opened her package, I just got so many ideas, and so that's why when I got this package, I was like, I gotta show you guys because I know that you will get inspiration as well. Another little envelope. Oh, I think this one was maybe made out of a CD case. Maybe not, but either way, it's an envelope. Ooh, this looks like maybe it's decoupaged. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Is that a napkin? I don't know. It almost seems like a fabric, but either way, lined with coffee dyed paper and sewn all the way around with lace. Move these actually all the way out of the way. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite. She gave me so many. Tons of little tickets. I'm not going to take these out, but I bet she sells these in her shop. Wow, tons of little tickets, and they even have the little holes punched. So they're not really vintage, but I mean, honestly, that's pretty believable if you ask me. She might have stamped these. I think that's what it is. Because doesn't Tim Holtz have a stamp like this? I bet she stamped them. I mean, I don't know why I keep trying to figure out how she made everything. It's just, that's how my brain works when I receive packages like this. Yeah, I'm guessing she has a die cut for this, which that's so much work. Wow. Pretty. We got little doilies. I want to take these out because I'm curious what they feel like. I couldn't tell if that was paper or a fabric, but either way, really cute. We have guest checks that are like coffee dyed, probably. They look actually pretty believable. Like, these kind of look actually vintage. Let's see. I tried to smell them to see if it smelled like tea or coffee. I can't actually tell, but either way, those are really cute. We have some little wallpaper envelopes. Both very cute. Ooh, coffee dyed paper that has the edges punched. Let's see here. Or maybe it's not coffee dyed paper, and these are folded, so which is perfect for journals. It's kind of a thicker cardstock actually, but tons of edges punched, ready to be used. More crocheted laces. Okay, very excited. She remembers that I was obsessed with her wallpaper last time, so she sent me so much more. Oh my gosh. This is just too generous. Wow, so much. I think this is like acetate, which I love using for different projects. Or it might be transparency film. Either way. Perfect for slides and things like that. Probably kind of maybe what she used for this. So that's really fun because I love doing projects like that. And oh my gosh, she gave me a whole thing of photo paper, which I'm gonna guess kind of goes along with the digital she sent me. Let me grab what I think she gave that to me for. I have not used these yet because I wanted to hold on to them and hoard them. She gave me these last time, and they're kind of like postcards, but they look so real because they're on photo paper. I don't think all of these are, but a lot of them are. And so that is so nice that she gifted that to me as well, so I can make my own. And now I can actually use these. Like, oh, beautiful. which will be really fun for my Patreon members because I can just make some postcards to be exactly whatever theme I want. Thank you so much, Ramona. This is so generous. Let's go ahead and even open up these. This is going to be a variety of wallpapers, but we'll just kind of flip through quickly here. All different prints. I feel like these look kind of similar to what I got last time, and I used up, like, gosh, almost all of them last time, so I'm excited to have more to play around with. You guys will definitely have to check out her shop. You know, I do give shout outs often to other Etsy shops and whatnot, but I love being able to help someone else out. When I was first starting out, I think she has had her shop for a while, but when I was first starting out, I just loved when anyone who genuinely loved my work would share it. It was always so helpful, and so I try to do the same. I don't even imagine she needs my help though, because like, look at the quality of her items here. But yeah, anyone that I talk about on my channel, I mean, I think you guys know and trust me well enough to know that I genuinely love these things. I would purchase them on my own, you know. So I'm very excited to have all this wallpaper, and everything else is just so beautiful. Thank you for all these handmade gifts. Ramona, you are too generous, and I truly appreciate this. Yeah, just so many. I'm excited. Okay, guys, well, that's it. I get to play with all this stuff and put it away. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.